All right, a new thing we're doing with the popcorn machines is that now we have a PVC pipe connector. So when you're taking it down after the event, you'll have to install it, and when you set it up, you'll have to take it off. During operation, this should just be placed inside of the black box for the travel box. How this goes on is it just slips on. It's on the metal gear shaft right there. If you see the PVC has a notch out, that notch out should be right on that gear. When you raise it up, it locks in with that gear, and then you'll twist it. That way this kettle can't come loose during transport, get banged around, or bend these two metal brackets. Without the PVC pipe, this likes to move and travel. Sometimes it'll just come undone and go like this and bend these brackets. That's why we put these PVCs together.